Hi everyone, I wanted to come on and share with you what I purchased at Sarita Sales. Her name is Sarah, but her channel is Sarita Sales here on YouTube. And I encourage you that when you see her having a live sale, to go on over there and, see what you can get, because it's pretty awesome. Anyway, we'll start with this beautifully wrapped box, and she wraps everything so pretty. And this is a box that you redo yourself. It's made to look like a chest. But inside this amazing chest, of course Kathie has it backwards, is a ton of mini doilies. I think there was like 30 in here. I mean, every type you can think. And these are going to go so great in my kits, Sarah. So really, I am very happy with these. Then, I think I probably love this the best of any dyed papers I have ever purchased from any artist. And I'm sorry, but it's the truth. Is this not the most amazing papers you've ever seen? And I'm not a purple fan, but I'm going to use this paper because it's gorgeous. So there's all of these in purple, and then there's some blue that's dyed as well. And then I got this packet that is also tied up with a nice little bow. This is just stunning, absolutely breathtakingly stunning. I mean, it's also, there's a lot of it in here. Actually, I got 2 packs of this one. And some of it's like a half and half, half of the girly and then half of the plain. But I am going to love using this, and I am getting ready to start a couple of journals that these are going to be absolutely awesome in. Next purchase was wrapped up in this. Look at this. I mean, come on now. The girl's packaging alone is awesome. And of course, I've already opened it, so I want to show you what was in there. This was in there. And these are going to be awesome in my kits as well. I mean, it was a lot of stuff, and it was not a lot of money. So yes, I will be visiting Sarita Sales more. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. It's got little raised dots on it. But wait, that's not all that was wrapped up in this. Then there's this bundle too. Good gravy. She knows how to wrap a bundle. So let's see what all is in this amazing bundle. Y'all know me and my pink, so I'm going to grab that first. Isn't this gorgeous? This is a peach or melon. Gorgeous. 2 different textures in the same bundle. I love it. There's a lot of it here, guys. This is awesome. Oh, pink. I love it. So pretty. I love this. This is embroidered. This is stunning. And then these, smarty pants. I had a bunch of these I gave away. I didn't think about dyeing them. Pretty cool. Pretty creative. And then this big piece of the glitter fabric. I mean, it looks to me like, is that a fat quarter? It looks like it. Awesome, awesome, awesome stuff. Oh, how dainty. I love it. That's going to go awesome in my Paris journal. Nice. And then, I honestly don't remember ordering this pack, but it was in there, so... Y'all know I don't do purple, so I don't know. I must have bought it for some reason. But there's a lot of it here, so... Yeah, I'll make some tags out of this. I do love this piece, though. It's a beautiful mint green with a little yellow heart. Looks like daisies embroidered in it. It is stunning. And last but not least, I am doing some farm journals, so ta-da! Got me some cows. So the name of the shop, the YouTube channel, is Sarita Sales. You can go over there and check her descriptions and stuff to see if she has an Etsy shop. I really don't know, because if she does, I'll probably be hitting it up when I need more supplies. But she does do live sales here on YouTube, and wow. Yeah, y'all want to get there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tonight at Bingo at 7 p.m. Eastern.